Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Supreme Education School System, Lahore.
Hope you all are fine. Today we will do page number 45, maths. Remember the hungry frogs. Remember he always wants more. Crocodile opens towards the words which is greater than others, like 10 is greater than 8, 16 is less than 17, 13 is greater than 0. Whereas crocodile mouth open, this is a sign of greater. Okay students, take out your pencils and write down the correct answers with me. Write the missing words. A. 18 is dash than 17. The correct answer is 18 is greater than 17. The next one is 2 is dash than 19. The correct answer is 2 is less than 19. C. 14 is dash than 15. The correct answer is 14 is less than 15. The next 16 is dash than 15. The correct answer is 16 is greater than 15. Next one is 10 is dash than 9. 10 is greater than 9. The last one, 7 is dash than 18. 7 is less than 18. Okay students, do your work on your book with neat handwriting. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.